Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video, which is how to apply false lashes. So this is the finished look and I really hope you guys enjoy and find this useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And other than that, let's get into it. So you want to start with a coat of mascara already on your natural lashes. Don't apply too much as you don't want it to be too thick. And these are the lashes that I'm using. They're from Flut Lash. And first you want to take them out of the packaging where you can actually bend the plastic to easily take them out. And you basically want to gently pull them from the outside edge and gently remove them from the packaging. Then I know this looks weird, but it really helps. You want to gently roll the lashes like so to kind of make them naturally curve in the shape of your eyes. And this just really helps them to stick to your eyes as closely as possible. And then you want to measure up the lashes to your eyes. So gently place the lash over your eyelid. And as you can see, this was very long and you always want to trim from the outside edge. Never trim from the inside as this is not going to make your lash blend well. So trim from the outside and then place them to see if they fit again. Once you're happy with the size, it's time to apply glue, and I'm using the clear one from Isla. I use the clear because this way you can see when the glue is dry as it changes to a darker blue colour. You want to hold your lash as close to your lash band with your tweezers and apply a generous layer of glue. You want to start from the inside and the outside of the lash because this is the place that's prone to lifting. So this gives the glue as much possible time to get tacky so that it's going to stick to your eyelid well. And just apply an evenly, quite thin, but also covering the lash band layer of glue. Then you want to let your lash dry for about 30 seconds, give it a little waft to make sure it's dried, and this is the colour it will turn to when it is dry. Then for actually applying the lashes, I'm holding the lash in the tweezers and I'm applying them in a downwards motion. Do not go straight at your lashes, come from above and come down as close to your natural lashes as possible. You want to place them in the middle of your eyes and then adjust the outer edge and stick that to your lash line, and then the inside edge, pressing them as close to your lashes as possible. And then once you believe that they're in the right place, you want to leave them. Stop messing with them so that your lashes have enough time to adhere to your natural lash band, to your lashes, and you want to leave them for as long as possible so that they can actually dry. I leave mine for about 5 minutes, and this is me doing the other one. Once they have dried, I'm going back to my other eye and I'm taking this tool that is used to apply eyelashes, but I use it to clamp my natural lashes to your false lashes. You can use your fingers or you can use an eyelash curler, but this is just going to help to blend your natural lashes into the false lashes. The last step is to apply a thin coat of mascara. I try and get as close to the lash line as possible just because I don't want to clump up the false lashes too much, but I'm just using the L'Oreal Baby Roll mascara to do this. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys have enjoyed and I really hope you found this useful. It's honestly so easy to apply lashes. You just got to keep practicing and I promise you will get there. But this is the finished look and I really hope you guys have enjoyed and found this useful. If you have, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as it helps me a lot, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye!